morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I'm going to be titling this video, Picking the American, what is this? This is the 1105, so my title will be Picking the American 1105. And it's locked. Let's see what it takes to get into this. I'm not sure if this one's been modified or not. I'll show you the bidding on the key, which is quite exceptional. 6-pin lock, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty nice bidding. Pretty nice bidding. And let's see what we're going to do by getting in there. Going to be using a Sparrow's pick and a Mad Bob's tension wrench in 1.2. And let us see what we can do, shall we? Okay. I'm going to use the tall end here. Okay, it's got a little spring there, so you want to overcome the spring action. And I'm going to hold it in because I have a tough time with my tension wrenches. There you go. So overcome that little spring and just a slight more bit of tension on it. Okay. That was one. Nothing on 2. 3. Got a click out of. Nothing on 4. Okay, that was 5. I hope the lighting's good, man. This sun coming through my window is really killing it. Yeah, I said that was 5. And 6 got a little counter rotation going. Okay, got a little bit of movement going. That's the tension wrench. There's number 1. I'm hitting my tension wrench. I need to back it out a little bit. Okay, nothing on 1. That was 2. 3, and I got a nice little bit of movement going there. 4. 5. Okay, got some good false set going. 5, I believe that was. No. Yeah, I think that was 6, sorry. Okay, that was 1. I touched it and got a click and got some moving. 2, got a little bit of movement going there. 3. And I got a great false set going. Nothing on 4, 5, and I got you, baby. Woo! I love when a lock comes together. All right, real quick, let's see what we got in here. Like I said, I don't remember if this was stock or not, but I hope I'm right here. I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to put this here so you can see. Get rid of my vise. Damn it, Bobby. Too much crap on the desk. Nothing like a clean desk to do a video. I was told that by a couple of professional lock pickers. You know what? Clean off your desk. Just have the content of what you're picking. And I still haven't taken their advice, and it is great advice. All this other stuff is distraction. Except my new pinning tray. My new pinning tray is nice. Check that out. Actually, it's a gun mat. I haven't even taken it out of the plastic. I don't want it. It's too beautiful until I ruin the plastic. And I got a couple of old Jason Carlson's picks that I broke that I am trying to take apart nicely. And I got to get some nice pick material. I mean, picks. I can't make pick material. So I'm going to take them apart and fix broken picks when I get done with this video. Onward, upward. Where am I? Screwdriver. Okay. Okay. Clip remover. Clip remover. Just, there it is. Shim. Dim. I don't need a small shim, so let's put this one in. Twist it around. Okay, follower. Oops. And I don't know what happened to my shim, but okay. Let's get a little bit zoomier. Zoom. Downward. And number one. Very nice spool. Tapered down spool. So this has been worked on. Another beautiful serrated spool. That one looks, that was number 3, right? 1, 2, 3, there's more to it. There you go. I don't know if that was on the top or bottom, but came out of number 3. Number 4. Very nice, stubby looking serrated spool. It's kind of messed up. I'm going to make a new pin for that. Number 5. Oh, come on, there you go. They make things called tweezers for this dumper. Okay, number 6. Very nice. I make some good challenge locks. This was a long time ago. Check a look. Yeah, check a look. I think we need some more lighting, maybe just to block the lighting. There you go. 1 is threaded, 2 is threaded, 3 is threaded, 4 is threaded. They're all threaded. And 6 is undercut. In fact, they're all undercut and all threaded. That's that. Let's see what we got on top. Shall we? We shall. I don't know what happened. I still got a shim in here somewhere. There it is, but, and you know what? Before I make a mistake, I almost did, because I put that in that way. Just so I know. Always good to do that, guys. Taking apart a lock and you're not sure which end to use, and you pin it all up, you put it in backwards, it sure pisses you off. I'm thinking as I'm doing this, I use this fat end, so I got it vice versa. This is number 1, so I'll remember that's the opposite. There goes my shim. Okay, let's do this already. Yeah, you and your long videos. Let's see what happened in number 3 too, if anything is weird. Alright, number 1. This lock is very old. I think it's time for some springs. Oh, there's the spring. And we got a beautiful spool. I can see number 1 is threaded. Come on now. That's number 2. I'm just going to wait to the end to show you guys. Well, doesn't matter. It's one of my spools with a, there you go, with a sharp top. I serrated in it. These are all the same as the top, all serrated, all undercut. Another one, a spool with serrations in it. Don't know. There it is. 3. 4. 5 just want to give me problems here. All right, so let's see which one comes out first. Okay, that was 6. Thank God they both didn't come out at the same time. Just half cocked in there. Come on, you can come out. Come on out and play. Man. Okay, I need another tweezer. There you go. I'm gonna refreshen these springs, or the spring's not a bad test. I just gotta give them a stretch a little bit. Okay, so we got it in 1, threaded, undercut. I'm reading off. I'll show you in a second. 2 is threaded. They're all threaded. There's no undercutting in the Bible here. 1 sec. Turn on the old light. Hopefully you'll be able to see it through here, maybe. Now, there you go, a little better. Okay, well, take my word. If you can't see, they are all threaded, all undercut. No, I mean all threaded, period. Okay, that was the backside. All right. So that is how you pick, sometimes, the American 1105. God. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back for another episode. And please, don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you got explicit permission. Thank you very much. Hit that like and subscribe button. I am gone. Look at that. 14 minutes. Woo-hoo. We're not still rolling, but this will be added on. I did not show you a close-up of the pins, and that is what I'm going to do. Let me unscrew this from my stand. Kind of off stand, but it worked good for holding. Okay. Close-up. Number 1. Beautiful like spool. Sharp top. Number 2, a very sharp top with 2 serrations in it. Number 3, a longer spool with a serrated in the middle and a space in between. We got a double serrated short stubby pin. What is this? Oh, better. Number 4, a little stubby one. 5 is a spool with a sharp one on the bottom. Or is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't even count today. I'm sorry. And the last one has got, it's kind of like a double spool. You got a spool, and then you got a nice size kind of hump in it with a space in between. I don't know what to call my pins. Okay, there's pins I like doing. I think Roy wanted to see some of these pins that had spools on the end. I mean, serrations on the end of my spools. So I tried another one on number 2. It's kind of different. Number 3's got spool serrations on it. Number 4 is just a regular spool with kind of like a T-top on it. And number 5 is almost like a screw. I kind of try to make it like a screw, but that's the way it turned out. I'm sorry it's that way too. Not that it makes a difference, but that's that. And the last pin is a serrated on the bottom, sharp top in the middle, and a spool at the end, or reversed, either one way you want to look at it. All the springs are the same. Just thank you for watching the extra looking at the pins. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. I'm gone.